you or put you through the difference between sports trading and futures trading on our platform of choice, LBank. All right. So if you've not yet registered for LBank, please look for the link on the description of this video or check the pin post, and you'll see the link to join LBank, which is a very, very amazing platform that you're going to enjoy. It has so much bonuses for newbies and anyone and professional traders. So get in. Join me in LBank. All right, so moving on. All right, let's talk. What is sports trading basically? Sports trading, to me, in layman's term, basically, because this is for beginners, is basically buying an asset in crypto on an exchange, right? Buying and owning an asset in an exchange. So, like an asset is what they call an asset is basically cryptocurrencies in this in this instance. So we have like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So you buying and owning an asset on the exchange is basically just sports trading. So yeah, literally maybe if you have some amount of USDT in your balance and you want to own Bitcoin, for instance, you have 100 USDT, you have 200 USDT or more, and you want to own Bitcoin, you can just go to any exchange like this, register and do your KYC, and of which I have videos on that. You can check the channel for videos on how to do your KYC and how to register on LBank. So you register and deposit USDT or any amount of money to your wallet, and you buy. Basically you're buying an asset and you're owning it, so it's you own the asset. So if the asset appreciates, your money appreciates. If it depreciates, it's also your money depreciates. So that's just basically you own the assets in sports trading. All right, so and to navigate sports trading in LBank, you just click on, you can see the middle button down. If you look down, you see trade. All right, so you just click on that trade and it will take you to where you can trade. So you can see we are on this pair Ethereum USDT. This is where you basically do your trades. All right, this is where you buy and sell on spots. Okay, so and yeah, let me just show you. If you look to your top left, okay, let me go back. If you look to your top left, you can see, click on the pair, the 8 USDT pair. And you can see we have various options. You can see favorites, futures, LTs, Omni. All right, so what we're interested in today is sports or futures. All right, so we're already on sports. So if you want to buy and own an asset, this is where you come to. All right, you click on sports and you click on a particular pair you want, and it brings out the window where you can buy and sell. All right, so yeah, so as for futures trading basically you're profiting from price differences. That is just the simple way to put it for you guys. So you're profiting on price differences of the different assets. For instance, the price difference of Ethereum. The price difference of maybe Ethereum is, you believe that you're predicting the future. You believe that Ethereum will rise in the future. So you now place your trade on that and said, okay, yeah, I believe Ethereum will rise to this amount in the future. This is what it is, and I'm betting on that. So you place your trade on that, and if Ethereum gets to that point, or if your prediction is correct, you make money off that. So that is basically futures trading. That is futures trading. So same with futures trading. You can there are two ways to access it on LBank platform. As you can see, one is from this same place I showed you to your top left. You click on that, you can now click on futures, or if you don't want to click on futures here, let me show you where you can do it. Look towards your right, just before the asset, you can see futures. You can just come there, click on futures, and it will take us to futures. All right, it will take us to futures, and that's that. You can now buy and sell, and make sure you have you do your technical analysis before you get into futures. Futures is for more experienced traders. Beginners, I advise you to stick to sports trading. Okay, I advise you to stick to sports. There are many risks to this, so you need to know the risk on trading. Basically, you have to you have to plan properly if you want to trade. Okay, you have to plan properly if you want to trade. You need to learn proper risk management. You need to learn proper risk management. All right, you need to learn proper. I will do a separate video on that. All right. So basically this is just the difference between sports and futures trading, and I think I'll end the video here for now. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. All right, and I'll be putting out more videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is